It's been a while since I've done a Flatrock update. What's going on out there? Well, mostly just a wet, cold Tennessee winter. Not the best conditions for a major construction project, but clearly work is still progressing on East Tennessee's newest racetrack. There are no structures yet, at least at the time this footage was recorded around the end of February. Also, no rock bed for the track surface itself, so you may have to use your imagination a bit as you look at this drone footage. But it looks like they're still moving a lot of dirt. Not much news has trickled out of the official Flatrock channels yet this year, but I have found a couple things. Dates, actually. 2 of them. The first is from MVP Track Time. They list an event at a new racetrack on the weekend of August 19th, next to a picture straight from Flatrock's marketing materials. I've been watching these track day schedules like a hawk all year, and saw this one originally pop up with a date in late June, and it specifically mentioned Flatrock. But they have since pushed that date back to August, so perhaps that was a little optimistic. But this is the earliest date I've found for an event at Flatrock so far. Registration isn't open yet, but I'll put a link up to MVP's page so you can stalk it along with me. The second date I found is from our friends at Just Track It. While they don't list any Flatrock events on their website, I did an event with them earlier this year and noticed the schedule posted at the bottom of their emails. So we've got tentative dates in August and October already. Sign me up for both of those. But until then,
keep out.
They put up these signs everywhere surrounding the whole property as far as I could see. Either they've been having issues with trespassers, or this is a sign that some major construction is about to happen and they don't want people traipsing through. And that's all I know for now, but expect construction to really pick up in the next month or so as it finally warms up, and maybe stops raining every day. Give me the old thumb up if you enjoyed the video, sub if you ain't yet, and I'll hopefully have some more updates for y'all soon. Ooh, new logo.